Hello children, we are continuing with the 7th chapter, Rocks and Minerals. Let us recall what you have studied in the last video. We learned about rocks, how it is formed, the different types of rocks, igneous, metamorphic and sedimentary rocks. Then we studied in detail about igneous rock formed from the cooling and hardening of lava. The three types of igneous rock: granite, pumice and obsidian. Today we are going to study about the second type of rock, sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock, as the name suggests, is formed from sediments. Do you know what are sediments? Rocks or mountains are broken down by the action of rain, wind and water. These tiny particles of rocks, they may be pebbles, sand, mud or clay. They are carried by water and are deposited at the bottom of the river or ocean beds. They continue depositing as layers, one on top of the other. Because of this repeated deposition of layers of rocks, the lower layers get pressed and they harden to form rocks. These rocks are called sedimentary rocks. So sedimentary rocks are formed from sediments. What are these sediments? It can be pebbles, sand, mud or clay. They are cemented up together. These layers of sediments are cemented up together with the help of a mineral. It can be any mineral. It is not necessary that the layers should be made of rock particle itself. It can be the shells of animals that lives in sea animals. It can be layers of minerals also that are dissolved in water. So whatever it be, the layers are formed and these layers get cemented together to form sedimentary rocks. Let us study about the different types of sedimentary rocks. The four main types of sedimentary rocks are sandstone, conglomerate, shale and limestone. They are all classified as sedimentary rocks, but they differ in their appearance and texture. The first one is sandstone. The picture of sandstone is shown here. You can see that there are different colors and different types of particles in that sandstone. So from that itself it is clear that it is made up of different kinds of things or particles that are piled up or that are cemented together. Cemented means they are made closer or held together. So sandstone is formed from particles of sand, as the name suggests. It is made from particles of sand together, cemented together. It contains quartz grains. So which mineral cements together the sand particles in the sandstone? It is the mineral quartz which holds these sand particles together. And this gives rise to a rock that is sandstone. Its colors are different, a variety of colors. It can be yellow, brown, red or pink. Which are the colors? Yellow, brown, red or pink. And it is used to make buildings. The most important buildings that is made of sandstone is Red Fort and Qutb Minar in New Delhi. From the picture itself it is clear that it is made up of sandstone because it has an appearance. The building itself has an appearance of sand, isn't it? Red colored sand made building. So which rock is used to make Red Fort and Qutb Minar? It is sandstone. What is sandstone? It is a sedimentary rock that is formed from sand particles cemented together by quartz grains. So this is the first type of sedimentary rock. Second type of sedimentary rock is conglomerate, a very new name, isn't it? This word, you may be hearing this word for the first time. Conglomerate. Try to pronounce it properly, okay? It will be difficult for the first time. You will make it, when you practice it, it becomes easy for you, okay? So conglomerate is a sedimentary rock formed from pebbles and gravel cemented together by minerals and sand. Different minerals will be there. They cement together pebbles and gravel. See, this picture shows you conglomerate rock. You can see different colors in that, isn't it? So pebbles and gravel, they are cemented together with the help of a mineral and sand particles to give you conglomerate, that is a sedimentary rock. It has an uneven texture. Uneven texture means it is very rough. When you touch it, you can feel it, it is very rough. Okay? Colors are grey or orange, very vibrant color. Grey or orange color are there in conglomerate. It is an ornamental rock and used for polishing ornaments. Ornamental rock means it can be used in ornaments. The picture is shown here. It is used as a pendant. The polished conglomerate rock. I told you conglomerate rock is very uneven texture. That means it is rough. So when it is polished, it gives, you can use it as a pendant or a ring or anything like that. It gives a shining appearance and it looks beautiful because there are different colors in that rock. Okay, so this is the second type of rock, that is conglomerate. Conglomerate is formed from pebbles and gravel cemented together by minerals or sand. It has uneven texture. It can be orange or grey color. It is an ornamental rock and can be used for polishing ornaments also. Next type is shale. The next type of rock is shale. Which rock? Sedimentary rock. Shale is formed from clay and mud. Clay and mud, it does not make that rock very strong, isn't it? It breaks faster. Okay? It is used to make tiles and bricks. You know that tiles and bricks, they break faster compared to other building materials, isn't it? That is only because it is made up of a sedimentary rock called shale, which is made up of clay and mud. Clay and mud, they are not strong enough. So shale is a sedimentary rock. The picture is shown here. It is formed from clay and mud cemented up in layers. It is used to make tiles and bricks. Next type of sedimentary rock is limestone. Limestone is made up of fine particles that are cemented together by a mineral called calcite. I have written the name here, calcite. Calcite is a mineral which is found in animal shells. This mineral is present in limestone. It can be grey or white color. Which are the colors? Grey or white color. Even the chalk that we use in our schools, it is made up of limestone. Which color is it? White color. You have different colors of chalk also. So chalk contains fine particles of sediments that are cemented up with the help of calcite. It is used for making bricks and glass and to separate pure metals from their ores. Pure metals from their ores. What do you mean by the ore? You will learn in the coming chapter. This chapter itself in the coming portion. Ore is a mixture of different types of metals, and from that you can separate the pure metal that you want. Okay, several metals and other objects will be mixed in an ore. From that you can extract the pure metal which you want. So that extraction is done with the help of what? Limestone. Okay, so limestone is a sedimentary rock that is formed from fine grains with calcite mineral. It can be grey or white color. It is used to make bricks and glass and for separating metals from their ores. So I hope it is clear for you. Which are the different types of sedimentary rocks? Sandstone, conglomerate, shale and limestone. So next we are going to study about metamorphic rock, the third category of rocks, metamorphic rocks. First one was from lava, the igneous rocks. Second one is from sediments, that is a sedimentary rock. What will be metamorphic rocks made of? Actually, metamorphic rock is formed from the existing igneous or sedimentary rock. Can you believe it? Do you know how? When this existing igneous or sedimentary rock, when they undergo a change in themselves due to the tons and tons of heat supplied and the pressure, it changes itself into metamorphic rock. And the process is called metamorphism. The process is written here, metamorphism. Metamorphism means change in form. So the igneous or metamorphic rock igneous or sedimentary rock has changed its form into metamorphic rock. Because of what? Because of tons and tons of pressure and the heat produced due to this pressure. So it takes long time for this sedimentary or metamorphic rock to be formed. Because of the pressure, these things should solidify or that should undergo a change, isn't it? So it takes millions and millions of years to form. There are different types of metamorphic rocks. Let us discuss about that. Metamorphic rocks are of four types mainly: slate, gneiss, marble and quartzite. Which are they? Slate, gneiss, marble and quartzite. Let us study about them in detail. Slate is the first type of metamorphic rock. I told you this metamorphic rock will be either an igneous rock or a sedimentary rock. So here slate is formed from shale. What is shale actually? A sedimentary rock. So slate is formed from a sedimentary rock, shale. It breaks into thin layers because we know that shale is made up of clay and mud. It is brittle. So as slate is made up of shale, slate also shows the properties of shale. What is it? It breaks faster. Grey and black colors are available. It is used to make slates and blackboards. You know that slate will be broken down faster, isn't it? That is because it is made up of what? Shale. Slate and blackboard, they appear grey or black in color. That is the color given by slate. Okay, so slate is the first type of metamorphic rock that you are studying. Slate is formed from a sedimentary rock, shale. It breaks into thin layers. It is grey or black in color. It is used to make slates and blackboards. The picture is also shown there. Next type is gneiss. Gneiss is formed from granite. Okay, this granite is actually an igneous rock. So gneiss is formed from an igneous rock, that is granite. It has light and dark bands in it. It is very clear from the picture. Dark and light shades are there. They appear as bands because of the presence of too much of minerals in it. And it has a lot of mica which makes it glitter. A shining appearance is there for gneiss. That is because of the presence of a mineral mica. Okay, so gneiss is a second type of metamorphic rock which is formed from a igneous rock, granite. It has light and dark bands on it because of the presence of too much of minerals, and the mineral mica makes it appear glitter. Okay, next type of metamorphic rock is marble. You might have seen it, isn't it? Very common rock that we use. Marble is formed from limestone. Limestone is which type of rock? It is a sedimentary rock. So marble is a metamorphic rock that has been formed from an existing sedimentary rock, that is limestone. There are different colors for marble, but the most commonly used one is white color. We know that Taj Mahal, a very beautiful monument, is made of the white marble, and that adds to its beauty, isn't it? It is used to make statues, buildings and other things, flooring of house, because it is strong. The picture of marble is shown here. This is a different color of marble. So, marble is a metamorphic rock formed from a sedimentary rock, limestone. It has different colors. It is used to make buildings and statues. The last type of metamorphic rock is quartzite. Quartzite, from the name itself, it is clear that it contains mineral quartz. Quartzite is formed from sandstone. Sandstone is a sedimentary rock formed from sand particles, the first type of sedimentary rock that we study. It is very hard and weather resistant, very hard, and it can withstand different types of weather, rain, water, wind, everything, the heat of the sun, everything can be withstand by this very hard rock, which is it, quartzite. It contains quartz minerals. It is used as building stone and to make statues as it is very hard. Okay. So, quartzite is a metamorphic rock formed from a sedimentary rock, sandstone. It contains quartz grains. It is hard and weather resistant. It is used to make building stone, used as a building stone and to make statues. So, these are the different types of rocks. So, we learned about igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. I know it is a bit difficult for you to understand all these things together, but once you keep on learning it, it becomes easy for you. Okay. Take more time to study this chapter, because this chapter contains lots of information, as I told in the beginning, and it is very difficult to make a connection between these also. It is not like a story or anything. Normally we study like a story, one is connected to the other, isn't it, the topics. But this is not like that. So, you need more time to study. Don't feel bad when you see all these things, all these names and all. Don't feel bad. You will get it. You will be able to study it once you work hard for it. Okay. So, let us take a look at the different types of rocks once again. Rocks are actually naturally occurring solid mass which has minerals in it, and a mineral is a naturally occurring non-living thing. Rocks are divided into three types based on the formation: igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rock. Igneous rocks are formed from cooling and hardening of hot molten lava. The three types of igneous rocks are granite, pumice and obsidian. Sedimentary rocks are formed by the deposition of sediments in layers and cementing together these layers by a mineral or sand. These sediments can be pebbles, sand, mud or clay. Even animal shells can be there, and sometimes the dead remains of animals and plants will also be cemented together with sedimentary rocks. So, the different types of sedimentary rocks are sandstone, conglomerate, shale and limestone. And one more importance about sedimentary rocks is that these sedimentary rocks helps the scientists to study about the life that existed on earth earlier, because these rocks leaves imprints of the creatures or the things that existed earlier, and that imprints are called fossils. It can be shells, it can be footprints, it can be prints of leaves, anything like that. That imprints are left on the sedimentary rocks, and it is easy for scientists to study on these sedimentary rocks to know about fossils. So, that is also an important that adds to the importance of sedimentary rocks. Okay. Third type of rock is metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock is formed from an existing igneous or sedimentary rock by the process of metamorphism. Metamorphism means change in form due to tons of pressure and heat developed due to it. The existing igneous or sedimentary rock changes into metamorphic rock. And the four types of metamorphic rocks are slate, gneiss, marble and quartzite. So, read your textbook. Keep on reading, then it becomes easy for you. Thank you.